Hello everyone, this is Anamika Verma and you are watching Law Warriors YouTube channel. So friends, today we are going to discuss Chhattisgarh Judicial Service Pre-Examination 2003 paper. And this video is a second video of this paper because we have already covered question 1 to 50 in last video. And now we are covering question 51 to 75 and also we will cover question 76 to 100 in another video. Okay friends, so let's start. Question 51. Section 51 is A agrees to let her daughter to her to be for concubinage. The agreement is options are A valid, B morally, C void because it is immoral. Option D is if daughter is major then agreement is valid. Answer is option C void because it is immoral. Because of section 23 of Indian Contract Act and section 23 is lawful consideration and unlawful consideration. Next question 52. A agrees with B to discover treasure by magic. Options are A agreement is valid, B agreement is immoral, C agreement is void and D agreement cannot be done for fictitious treasure. So answer is C agreement is void. Because of section 56 of Indian Contract Act talks about agreement to be impossible and the illustration A of section 56 is this question. Next question is 53. A gives a recognizance binding him in a penalty of 500 to appear in court on a certain date. He forfeits her recognizance, he is liable. Options are A to pay the whole penalty, B to pay half penalty and C it depends on the discretion of the judge and option D for no penalty. Answer is option A to pay the whole penalty. Because of section 74 of Indian Contract Act talks about compensation for breach of contract and illustration C of section 74 is this question. Next question 54. A sells and delivers goods to B. C afterwards without consideration agrees to pay for them in default of B. Options are A the agreement is valid, B agreement is void, C agreement is voidable and option D is C has no right to agree. Answer is option B agreement is void. Because of section 127 and section 127 talks about consideration for guarantee. Illustration of C of section 27 is this question. जो सेक्शन 27 का इलस्ट्रेशन सी है वही हमारा ये 54 क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 55. A hires a carriage of B. The carriage is unsafe through B is not aware of it and B is injured. Options are A B is not responsible to A for the injury. Option B is responsible to A for the injury. Option C is both are contributory negligent and option D is no one is responsible for A's injury. Answer is option B. B is responsible to A for the injury. Because of section 150 of Indian Contract Act talks about bailor's duty to disclose faults in good faith. And illustration B of section 150 is question 55. Next question 56. In how many years a sentence of imprisonment for life can be commuted by the government? Options are A 20 years, B 18 years, C 14 years and option D is 12 years. Answer is option C 14 years. Next question 57. The term for which the court directs the offender to be imprisoned in default of payment of a fine shall not exceed. Options are A. 1/3, B. half, C. 1/4, and option D is 2/3. Answer is option C. 1/4. Because of section 65 of Indian Penal Code talks about limit of imprisonment for non-payment of fine. So next question is 58. A is beating Z. Y interferes and A intentionally strikes Y. Here as the blow given to Y is not a part of the act, whereby A voluntarily causes hurt to Z, A is liable to one punishment for voluntarily causing hurt to Z and to another for the blow given to Y. Options are A. wrong, B. A will be punished once as act is done during the same transaction, C. if Y would have not interfered, A would have not beaten him, so A is not caused blow to Y intentionally, so A will not be punished to cause hurt to Y. And option D is right. Answer of this question option D, right. Next question is 59. A blacksmith, is seized by a gang of dacoity and forced by a threat of instant death to take his tools and to open the door of B's house. The dacoits, 10 in number, loot B's money and jewels and kill B's son A. Options are A. is guilty of dacoity with murder. Option B is guilty of house breaking and avertment of dacoity. Option C is not guilty of any offence. Option D is guilty of making preparation to commit dacoity. So answer of this question option C is not guilty of any offence. Next question 60. A is at work with the hatchet and had flies off and kill a man who is standing by. No want of proper caution on the part of A. His act is, options are A. murder, B. culpable homicide not murder, C. his act is excusable not an offence, D. causing death by negligence. So answer is this question option C. His act is excusable not an offence. Because of section 80 of Indian Penal Code talks about accident in doing a lawful act, and this question is illustration of section 80. Next question is 61. Right of private defense of the body extend of voluntarily causing death if the offence which occasions the exercise of right. Options are A. reasonably causes apprehension that death will be caused, B. reasonably causes apprehension that simple injury will be caused. Option C is of escaping with stolen property immediately after the theft. Option D is of arresting a person who is running away after having committed an offence of voluntarily causing hurt. So answer is of this question option A. reasonably causes apprehension that death will be caused. Next question is 62. Rex versus Govinda, the points of distinction between the provision of the following section of the Indian Penal Code were explained. Options are A. 34 and 149, B. 302 and 304, and C. section 299 and 300, and option D is 403 and 405. So answer is option C, because Rex versus Govinda case defined the difference between culpable homicide and murder, and section 299 is talks about culpable homicide, and section 300 is talks about murder. Next question is 63. A instigates B to murder C. B refuses to do so. So options are A has not committed any offence, B. A is not guilty of abetting B to commit murder, C. A has committed an offense of attempt to murder, and D, A has committed offense of criminal conspiracy. So answer is option B, A is guilty of aiding B to commit murder, because section 107 talks about the abatement and section 108 talks about the abater. So next question, 64. A, by putting Z in fear of grievous hurt, dishonestly induced Z to sign and affix his seal to a blank paper and deliver it to A. Z signs and delivered the paper to A. A is guilty. Options are A, of forgery, B, of robbery, C, of extortion, D, of cheating. So answer is option C, extortion. And section 383 of Indian Penal Code talks about the extortion. Next question, 65. A chief judicial magistrate may pass a sentence of option A, imprisonment for a term not exceeding 3 years, or of fine not exceeding 5,000 rupees, or of both. Option B, imprisonment for a term not exceeding 5 years, or of fine not exceeding 10,000 rupees, or of both. Option C is imprisonment for a term not exceeding 7 years, or a fine which may extend to any amount of both. Option D is imprisonment for a term not exceeding 7 years, or a fine not exceeding 1 lakh rupees, or of both. So answer is of this question, option is C. Imprisonment for a term not exceeding 7 years, or a fine which may extend to any amount, or both. Because of section 29 of CRPC talks about the sentence which magistrate may pass. Okay. So next question is 66. A has sexual intercourse with his own wife aged about 14 years with her consent. A committed. Options are A, no offense, B, rape, C, intercourse with own wife is not rape, and option D is as there was consent, hence he cannot be held guilty for rape. So answer is this question B, rape, because of section 375 of Indian Penal Code have an exception, and that exception talks about the if anyone has sexual intercourse with his own wife aged about 14 years, then it will be count in rape. Okay. So next question, 67. A finds a ring lying on the high road, by taking it a commits. So options are A, no offense, B, theft, C, criminal misappropriation, D, loot. So answer is A, no offense. Next question, 68. The appeal against an order of acquittal passed by the Court of Judicial Magistrate first class shall lie to. Options are A, the Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate, B, the Court of Session, C, the High Court, and D, the Supreme Court. So answer is B, the Court of Session. Because of section 378 of CRPC talks about appeal in case of acquittal, and subsection 2A of section 378 talks about this question. Next question, 69. A voluntary confession is admissible in evidence when made to. Options are A, when made to a police officer, B, to a magistrate having competent jurisdiction, C, to a blaze serpent with a request to save him for police. Option D is where it leads to no discovery of fact and made to the police officer. So answer is B, to a magistrate having competent jurisdiction. Next question, 70. A is not a servant in income tax department, but showing himself as income tax officer, putting red in B business center and gets valuable articles, thus A commits. Options are A, cheating, B, cheating by personation, option C, robbery, and option D, fraud. So answer is of this question option B, cheating by personation. because of section 416 of Indian Penal Code talks about cheating by personation. Next question 71. A is magistrate is making report to superior officer about B's character, imputation made in good faith and for public good. A commits. Options are A. Offence under section 500 IPC. Offence under section 501 IPC. Option C is no offence as it is within exception under section 499, and option D is under section 504 IPC. And answer is option C, no offence as it is within exception under section 499. Next question 72. Non-cognizable offence means a police officer has authority to arrest without warrant. Option B, police officer cannot arrest without warrant. Option C, it depends on the discretion of the police officer. And option D is on request or complainant arrest can be made. So answer is this question option B, police officer cannot arrest without warrant. Next question 73. Which statement is true? Options are A. Someone's case means a case which is not warrant case. Option B is someone's case means a case through which security is not required. Option C. Someone's case means a case through in which offence of theft is tried. Option D is someone's case means a case in which only someone's case can be served during trial. So answer is option A. Someone case means a case which is not warrant case. One case comes under section 2 subsection W of Criminal Procedure Code. Next question 74. On an application made by a person apprehending arrest on an accusation of having committed a non-bailable offence, the High Court or the Court of Session may under section 438 CRPC give the direction that. Options are A. He shall not be arrested till further order. B. He shall be released on bail without taking him into custody. Option C is in the event of such arrest he will be released on bail. Option D is in the event of such arrest he will be released on bail 3 days after the arrest. So answer is option C. In the event of such arrest he shall be released on bail. Because of section 438 of Criminal Procedure Code talks about direction for grant of bail to person apprehending arrests. Okay, this is the last question of this video, and this question is 75. Who can make rules or give special orders from time to time consistent with CRPC as to the contribution of business among the subordinate judicial magistrate? And options are A. Executive magistrate, B. District magistrate, C. Additional district and session judge, and option D is Chief Judicial Magistrate. So answer is option D, Chief Judicial Magistrate, because section 15 of subsection 2 Criminal Procedure talks about this kind of powers. This is the last question of this video, and definitely we will cover question 76 to 100 in another video. ओके फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो, थोड़ा भी प्रोडक्टिव लगा हो, तो आप इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए एंड कमेंट करिए. थैंक यू एवरीवन.